This wax spark looks good and smells good enough to eat. It makes the perfect Valentine's Day gift for any candle enthusiast in your life. I'm Maddie, and in today's how-to, I'm going to teach you guys how to make it, so keep watching if you want to make your very own gourmet wax spark. Start with your wax of choice broken up into chunks to make for easier melting. With the wax broken up, go ahead and place it in your prepared double boiler. While the wax is melting, line a baking tray with aluminum foil, making sure it wraps around the edges and fully covers the baking tray. When the wax is fully melted, we need to remove it from the double boiler and check the temperature to see if it's ready for fragrance. Our target temperature range is about 185 to 195 degrees. Well, we're right in the range we need to be, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my fragrance now, which is our Gourmet Dark Chocolate scent. With it all measured out, I'm just going to go ahead and dump it in with the wax and give it a thorough stir. Before we pour, we also have to add some liquid candle dye to make the bark look like, well, chocolate. Check the temperature one last time. Our ideal pour temp is about 170 to 180 degrees. Once we're in that range, we can go ahead and pour our wax into the baking tray that we lined earlier. Evenly distribute the wax across the aluminum foil. Now our wax spark is almost done. When the wax is cooled and completely solidified, simply peel it away from the aluminum foil and snap it into shards that will fit into a wax warmer. And just like that, we've got some delicious smelling wax spark that looks like a sweet Valentine's Day treat. To use, just place a piece or two into a wax warmer. This costs us about $1 to make 6 ounces of wax spark in total, meaning this quantity can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $8. If you want more candle how-tos just like this one, check out the playlist on our channel. We're so happy that you guys followed along with us in the lab today. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed this how-to and subscribe for more content just like this. And don't forget to ring that bell icon so you never miss an update from us here in the AFI lab. I'm Maddie, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. Bye!